Hey guys, Parker here with S&S Training Solutions. Just wanted to talk a little bit about what Winter Forge is and what you guys can expect if you come out and train with us. Winter Forge is a 5-day cold weather training package that's offered every 2 years to the civilian market. It's a collaboration between us and Light Fighter Studies Group. The video that you're about to see is footage of the 2023 training semester that was a joint training exercise between us, Light Fighter Studies Group, and One Shepherd. Now keep in mind, there is a required packing list to attend Winter Forge. A lot of those items can be found over at winterwarfare.com, so take a look over there and let us know if you guys have any questions. We'll see you in 2025.
You cut the branches down where you can still use them and hang your clothes.
That blood coming to the surface, the body starts to shunt that blood to the core. So one, it keeps the organs and the core body temperature up.
And like my man over here said, the whole point of the base layer is to keep moisture away from us.
And you'd have to be a pretty expert tracker to ever know that it was here.
Nice and tight to really tension that down. So this side feels pretty good.
Connects on the hoses, which is super nice for refueling in the middle of the night. Other
think about doing the same kind of mission on the moon. Not making a joke. On the moon.
Here's how I go occupy that with troops now, etc. So we want to make sure that you guys are able to, go out there and it be tactical, because there's a lot of sustainment equipment you guys are going to have with you.
Okay. Well, we still got contact fucking in front of us. So be careful.
Loading! About 10 meters, 20 meters! About 20 meters!
Hey, push across the road! Push across the road!
All right, hold it up. Might get accountability by your people. Once we get to the bivouac site, team 1, you guys do what? Immediately punch out 360 around the bivouac site. Okay. Team 2, you guys are gonna set the shit down in the center, and then what I want you guys to do is fill in the gaps. Okay. Fill in the gaps, because what I want to happen is we want to establish a good 360 or cigar shape, depending on how the terrain's looking. All right, we want to establish fighting positions for which, if the enemy were to attack us, everybody can fill in. Okay? Everybody tracking?
Move to the nipple. Does everybody know what the nipple is? You look at your map. It's got a little circle. All right, it's like the highest point in that AO, right there on the freaking boundary.
cover you. You gotta cross. Ready?
Yep, we're moving. Did we get one pushing right? Did one push right? No. Keep, send it, send it, send it!